Welcome to the tutorial on numerical on class B output stage. Before we begin, we will look into the design of the class B output stage with all the design equations put up here, and mainly these design equations are based on computation of the efficiency and the power dissipation. So we have the output sinusoid of peak amplitude V out cap, and the efficiency is computed as load power by supply power, which is PL divided by PS. The average power at the load PL will be equal to the RMS value of output voltage divided by RL, and the RMS value is computed as V out cap divided by root 2, which gives me a value of half V out cap the whole square divided by RL. The average current that is drawn from each of the supply is equal to I naught cap divided by pi. So if I am considering the average current drawn from the total supply, it will be equal to 2 times I naught by pi. The average power that is drawn from each of the supply, that is positive supply and the negative supply, will be equal to 1 by pi V naught cap by RL into VCC. But if I want to compute the total power, it will be the sum of individual powers, that is PS plus PS minus. So that will give me PS. So PS is equal to 2 by pi V naught cap divided by RL into VCC. To compute the maximum value of the load power, that is computed as half of VCC square divided by RL. If you look at this particular equation and the equation for the average power at the load, what we have done is we have just substituted V out cap to be equal to VCC. Then the average power dissipated, PD, will be equal to PS minus PL, and the individual power dissipated by the N and the P transistors will be computed as VCC square divided by pi square into RL. And the worst case power dissipation will be equal to PD max, which is equal to the combination of PD N max plus PD P max. So that is why we have 2 times VCC square divided by pi square into RL. And the peak current that is drawn from each of the supply I naught cap is equal to V naught cap divided by RL. With these design equations, we will try to solve the numerical. The first numerical says that it is required to design a class B output stage to deliver an average power of 20 watts to a 8 ohm load. The power supply is to be selected such that VCC is about 5 volt greater than the peak output voltage to avoid transistor saturation and the associated nonlinear distortion. And we need to determine the supply voltage required, the peak current which is drawn from each of the supply, the total supply power, the power conversion efficiency, the maximum power that each transistor must be able to dissipate safely. To compute the load power, PL is equal to half of V naught cap square divided by RL. First we need to find out what is the peak value. So rearrange this equation and you get it as square root of 2PL into RL. In the question it is mentioned that the average power is 20 watt delivered to the 8 ohm load. So PL is equal to 20 watt and RL is equal to 8. So it gives me a value of V out cap to be equal to 17.9 volt. And it is mentioned that the power supply is selected such that VCC is about 5 volt greater than the peak output voltage. The peak output voltage is 17.9. Let me consider it to be an approximate value of 18 volt. So 18 volt plus 5 volt will give me a VCC value of 23 volt. Next, I need to compute the peak current drawn from each of the supply, which is I naught cap to be equal to V naught cap divided by RL, and that gives me a value of 2.24 amps. Next, I need to compute the total supply power. So total supply power is the sum of individual power supplied. So that is equal to, individual power will be equal to 1 by pi into VCC into I naught cap, that is equal to 16.4 watts. Total power will be the sum of PS plus plus PS minus. So 16.4 plus 16.4 gives me a value of 32.8. To compute power conversion efficiency, it is eta is equal to PL by PS. PL is 20, PS is 32.8. In terms of percentage, will give you a value of 61%. And finally, the maximum power that each transistor must be able to dissipate is PDN max to be equal to PDP max, which is equal to VCC square divided by pi square into RL. So VCC square is 23 square, pi square into RL is 8. That gives you a value of 6.7 watts. Next numerical. For the class B output stage, VCC value is 6 volt, RL is 4 ohms. If the output is a sinusoid with 4.5 peak amplitude, find the output power, average power drawn from each supply, the power efficiency obtained at the output voltage, the peak current supplied by Vi, assuming beta n and beta p to be equal to 50, the maximum power that each transistor must be capable of dissipating safely. First, that is the output power. Output power corresponds to the power that is delivered to the load, and that is computed as PL is equal to half of V out cap the whole square divided by RL, and the question clearly says that V out cap is equal to 4.5 and RL is equal to 4 ohms. So substituting you get the value as 2.53 watts. Secondly, the power drawn from each of the supply, that is average power. So PS plus equal to PS minus is equal to VCC into V out cap divided by pi into RL. So 6 into 4.5 divided by pi into 4 will give you a value of 2.15 watts. Now I need to compute the total power. So total power will be equal to PS plus PS minus, that is 4.3. In the question, the part B of the question, they have just asked what is the average power drawn from each supply, that is P plus and P minus. But why I have computed PS is because the third part of the question says you need to compute the power efficiency. For that PS is required. So efficiency will be equal to PL divided by PS into 100. So 2.53 divided by 4.3 will multiplied by 100 in terms of percentage will give me an efficiency of 59%. If you note again here, the power conversion efficiency for the class B output stage was close to 78.5 theoretically that we had obtained, but here in the numerical we are obtaining it equal to 59%. Okay. Continuing, the part D of the question says the peak current supplied by the input. Because beta value is given, you should remember this equation because this equation is not mentioned in the design. The peak input current is computed in terms of beta as equal to 1 by 1 plus beta multiplied with the peak output voltage V out cap divided by RL. So I have 1 by 50 plus 1 because 50 is mentioned here, the value of beta, into 4.5 volt, that is the peak value, divided by RL, which is equal to 4 ohms. That gives me a value of 22.1 milliamps. Lastly, the maximum power that each transistor must be capable of dissipating. So PDN max is equal to PDP max, that is equal to VCC square divided by pi square into RL. So VCC is 6 square divided by pi square multiplied with RL, that is equal to 4, gives me a value of 0.91 watts.